In my workshop, we do a lot about how to behave on stage, so how to not bore your audience. Very often we think that our brain tells our body how to behave. But often it's the other way around. Often our body tells our brain how to feel. If you try to make something correct, it's not a good strategy. Right? And that's what people always try. They try to be perfect on stage. They want to be perfect in interview situations, but that's not interesting. Just being a little imperfect, that leads to authenticity, and authenticity leads to credibility, and that's very important in any communication, in any situation. Actually, people think authenticity is a trait, but it's not. It's an effect. Well, with the EMBA, you always have very interesting people from all over the world. And that's just fun.